That's very, very hard.
Okay.
Properly, everybody.
I want two.
I want two. Just have one first, okay? And then you can have. Yeah? Ooh.
Alright, so today is my yellow belt test. That's why I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be a color belt because I can do freeze sparring.
Hey friends, so today is Saturday morning and we are just getting ready to take him to his test for his martial arts. So I am just figuring out how to tie his belt because I never used to do this. They used to do it from the class, and so for his test I'm just looking at a YouTube video to figure out how to do that. Okay, let's see. My left hand side is this. Wait, let me pause it.
Cross over.
Okay, let me do it like this. Cross over. Hold this part. Okay, one more. That's fine now. See, fortune cookie.
Oh yeah.
It's correct? Is it too tight?
It's a little tight. Yeah.
Huh? It's good? Can you show me a move?
Yeah. How about this? Ay!
Whoa!
Okay.
All the best. Woo! That's hard. That's very, very hard.
Okay.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Good. Begin. To be. Side faces school flag wall, step back to attack.
Hey.
Start with your designated, move on to your voluntary. Begin.
Hey. 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 Take it off. Hey. 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 Hey.
Come on.
Hey. 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 Hey.
That's it. Next one, David.
Hey. Hey.
No, David, inner press and kick, then jump.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Okay.
How do you pronounce your name? Did you?
Sir.
Very nice test. Okay, good
Sir.
job. Very disciplined. Keep focus, okay? Keep training. All right?
Sir.
Good job. You did very, very good. So test is successfully done. Where are we going now? Going back home?
Yeah, I think we can have food from outside today.
I already made.
Is it?
Yeah. So it's sometime later in the afternoon now, and I was just making my grocery list since we are doing grocery shopping after Anjali wakes up. So as I was making that, I just wanted to share with you because a few months back I think I had shared this meal planning journal in one of my videos, and I used to do meal plan for 2 weeks at a stretch and then do the grocery shopping. So in the month of October, what I did is meal plan for 1 whole month, and it took some time on that particular day, but it was very easy for me for the following weeks. It was so less stressful. So I have all my meal plans in this book right now for 1 full month until this gets updated, and this is the meal plan that I have made for the following week. And where is my shopping? Yeah, this is my shopping list that I'm making. And when I'm making my grocery list, this is the recipe folder that I have, wherein I'm updating recipes. It's not over yet, but I'm still doing it. So with this, I just wanted to show you an example. For example, if I'm making sambar rice, I have all the ingredients here and the recipe for it. And shopping list, I have just divided into groceries, spices and vegetables, so that way it becomes very easy to make my grocery list as to see what is already there at home. I just check my pantry and the fridge and kind of see what is already there at home and just write the shopping list accordingly. So yeah, I hope you get some idea if you are looking into meal planning and making grocery list. Making a meal plan for 1 whole month is working for me right now. And yeah, I will take you all along with me while grocery shopping and show you how we do shopping with our kids. This is your list.
Thank you. Should I check it off?
Yep.
That one.
There.
There.
Good. Boost or Bonvita na da vende.
Boost.
Okay. Okay. Check it off.
Okay, where's Boost? This one. That one is really.
Oh yeah. Laddu.
പിടിച്ചോ?
Okay.
Did this one here?
Yep.
Okay. Let me check it out. Mama, need to. Mama, here. It's right.
Anjali, laddu നമ്മുടെ ലിസ്റ്റിൽ ഇല്ലല്ലോ. You cannot keep adding things to the list, Adi. Acha gave up?
Yeah, I gave up. കൊടുത്തു. കൊടുത്തു. കൊടുത്തു.
Yes. To check, Judy. Look.
Where is it? Laddu. Written and checked off together.
Yeah.
Where's that? Find it out. Where's the green gram? Check here. That's green but non-gram. Where is green gram? No, keep it back. No, not there. Keep it back in its spot.
Today makes it easier.
അതിനാണോ അതെല്ലാം നീ
Christmas decoration or no?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. Okay, can someone guess what the time is now?
12:25.
എത്രയാതി?
12:25.
12:25
What's your guess?
എന്റെയോ? 6 o'clock.
5:34. That's it.
5:34.
Look how dark it is. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all later. Take care and bye.